Lisa Copeland, and welcome to American Dream TV, Selling Central Texas. And today, I want to welcome you to this gorgeous executive estate that is located in the woods of Forest Creek in Round Rock, Texas. Not only am I going to give you a tour of this amazing 5,700 square foot executive home, but I've got a special guest today, and we're going to talk about the ins and outs of real estate financing. Don't let those high interest rates get you down. There's always a way to get the house of your dreams. Come on in. Welcome to this beautiful estate located in the woods of Forest Creek. Talk about a neighborhood that boasts a lifestyle that you'd be proud to be in. We've got tennis courts, we've got swimming pools, we've got an award-winning golf course, schools. We're very close to shopping, Kalahari, Del Diamond, you name it. This is the capital of Texas, or at least it may as well be right here in Round Rock, Texas. I can't wait to take you on a tour of this beautiful 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home. I guarantee you there's nothing else like it on the market today. As promised earlier, I am here with Melissa Munch, Senior Loan Officer with U.S. Bank, 30-year mortgage professional, and a very good friend of mine. And I brought her in today because I want her to debunk some of the stuff that you might be listening to in the press. So Melissa, I want to start with, first and foremost, you cannot turn on the news today, open a newspaper, get on Instagram, whatever that looks like, and somebody's not talking about the Fed hiking interest rates. Now, you work for one of the biggest mortgage lenders in the world. What do you see is going to happen in the next 18 months?
Well, Lisa, I'm glad you asked that question.
Okay.
Because
somebody had to ask it.
Exactly. Not even what I feel, it's what the economists are saying. In the next 12 to 18 months, we are going to be in a refinance environment. Being with U.S. Bank and being the 5th largest bank, we portfolio our loans, we service all of our loans. So what I'm able to offer your clients on a high-end mortgage, or, you know, something in a price range of 200 to, we'll do loans up to 25 million.
Right.
But what I'm offering to my clients is a 7/1 interest-only ARM. It's a fixed rate for 7 years.
Okay. But let me ask you about that, because sometimes people, you know, they get it into their heads about a fixed rate versus an adjustable rate, and they think, I can't have an adjustable rate. But, you know, you and I have both been in this business over 30 years.
Right.
We see it's very, very cyclical. And I can tell you, I don't know that I've ever had a client get stung on an adjustable rate mortgage as long as they take it out long enough, right? What is your professional opinion for somebody who's looking to maybe take advantage of a lower interest rate right now and, you know, do the 5/1 or the 7/1 ARM? Like, do you think it's financially prudent?
You know, Lisa, I do think it is financially prudent. And the number one goal is asking them, what is your goal? There's a lot of creative ways to go about, you know, navigating rates in this market. But I think when giving your client the comparison between a 30-year fixed and a 7/1 ARM being fully amortizing or interest only, and looking at that differential in payment,
it's hundreds and hundreds of dollars is the difference.
It is.
But you know, there's also, you talked about portfolio lending. Maybe you've got money sitting in an asset account. Maybe you've got money sitting with your private banker. It could be moved to U.S. Bank. It could be pledged, and you could actually let your money continue to work for you in the market and buy this new home. You're able to take advantage of a lower interest rate by pledging?
Yes, with you investing in the private wealth, you will achieve a lower interest rate.
Right. For all of you out there that are looking to make a decision, what I'd like to tell everybody is that the asset, the home, your investment, it's on sale. And so it doesn't really matter what the interest rate is. No. Because it's an 18-month problem.
Absolutely.
You know,
as little as 10% down, Lisa, for this home,
at $1.4 million,
I can help any client with at $1.4 million, put only 10% down.
That's just unheard of. Melissa, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. It's always a pleasure. You always do a great job for my clients. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, I always save the best for last. This is your host, Lisa Copeland, for American Dream TV, Selling Central Texas. Thanks for going on this journey with me today, and I look forward to seeing you next month on my next episode of American Dream TV, Selling Central Texas. Cheers.